We chose Engine Room after reviewing many other agencies. We decided that Engine Room team has very high expertise about digital marketing, SEO, and social media marketing. The team was very engaged of meeting our company, our needs, our team, and our goals. More importantly, our goals, because this is what we both work for to get the results. After we work already for a couple months, and I can say that they are very professional, and I would recommend Engine Room to any company who is looking for very professional service.